Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you what is the difference between call by value and call by reference in C language. So to do that, what I've done is I have opened two compiler, and from in this compiler I have written the code for call by value. That is to demonstrate a program, demonstrate call by value through a program. Again, in this compiler, this one here, I have written the exact code as of this program to this program also, but in this program I have what I have done is, instead of using the call by value method, I have done the call by reference method. uh, to identify this, you must be there. I have written asterisk here, and when passing the values I have written the ampersand before the variable. So this means this is a call by reference program. So what this program will do is it will ask the user for two values, that is a and b. Then I have printed before swapping, and then before swapping, the value of a and b will be printed on the display. Then I have called a function called swap. So what this function will do is this will uh, accept two parameters as an argument. Then inside the swap function I have written the code for that is swapping the values of x and y. This x and y is nothing but the value of a and b. So x will be now y and y will be now x. So this will be swapped. So it's the same as here before, but just the difference is that it is been done using the call by reference method. So to demonstrate it now, let us run this program first. So as you can see, enter the value of a and b. I will write 10 and 20. So now the value of a and b will be, a will be 10 and b will be 20 respectively. Press enter. So here it is before swapping a equal to 10, and after swapping a equal to 10, before swapping a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and after swapping a equal to 20 and b equal to 20. So why is that happen? I have just told you that I have called the swap function. After this code I have said called the swap function, so it should, the values of a and b should be swapped. So but why is that the value of a and b is not has been swapped, but it is the same as before? Because in call by value, what happened is that whatever the value we pass to this function, what the compiler does is that it makes a copy of this argument a and b. That is the parameters. It will make a copy of that and store it in the parameters that define here. So a will be now stored in x, and y will be stored in the b will be stored in y. So after this, I have told you before that the value will be exchanged, but what actually happened is that whatever operation we do inside this function swap, it will be only applicable to only this function scope only. So whenever we call the function, it will run this code, but when the function has been successfully executed, whatever happened within this scope, that is the function swap code, will be destroyed. So, and I have also told you that it will make a copy of the value a and b. So the exact value will not be tempered here. So therefore, when the function swap has been successfully executed, whatever the data remain with swap will be automatically wiped off. So this is the reason why after swapping, the value of a and b remains the same as of before swapping. So call by value, the compiler will make a copy of a variable, then perform operation on it. Whatever operation we may be writing, it will perform on the copy of that value. The exact value will not be tampered. So that's why when we entered 10 and 20 as the value of a and b respectively, before swapping it was 10 and 20, and after swapping also it was 10 and 20. Now let us run this code as well, the call by reference part. So for minimizing confusion, I will write the exact same value. So before swapping a equal to 10, b equal to 20, after swapping a equal to 20, b equal to 10. So in call by reference, I have just told you that the value has been exchanged, the real value has been changed. So what happened is that as here we observe that we have passed the value on the function swap as the address of the value. So the real address of the value has been passed here. So when the program encounter this line, it will go to the function swap where it has been defined. So I have written that in star x, that means it is a pointer variable, and also in star y. So what we have done is that we have also swapped, trying to swap the values of x and y, that is a and b. But here in call by value, it is the function will make the copy of a and b. But here, since we have passed the address of the value a and b, so whatever we have doing the operation in this program, the real memory block, that is the variable that have been assigned to, will be tampered with. So temp equal to star x, star x equal to star y equal to temp. So if we change any of the values of a and b, that is here I have changed the name to s and y, the exact value will be also tampered because we have passed the address of that value, and this is, we have decline pointer here to do the operation. So if we do any change in the value of x and y, the change will be also referred to the real values of a and b also in the main program. So that's why when we have exchanged the value of a to b and b to a, the exact value has been also changed in the main program because the address have been passed here. So when the program, the compiler encounter this line, whatever the value is be destroyed, x and y will be destroyed again, is the same. But here, since we have already uh, made some changes in the address, the value of that address of the a and b, so even if the whatever the operation we have done have been, and the value have been destroyed, but the exact value will also be changed because we have passed the address here. So that's why after this, a is now holding the value of b and b is holding the value of a. So call by reference, that is the difference. So and one more thing here, this function we have passed some argument. So whenever we pass some argument to the function, that is at the time of calling, it is called actual parameters. Whatever argument they a and b, this a and b also, this a and b will be called as actual parameters. And whatever the parameters the real function is holding is called the formal parameters. So don't get confused with it. The actual parameters is used when we call the function, and the formal parameter is when we declare the function. So now I hope you guys have understood what is the difference between call by value and call by reference in C language. So if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share the below video, and also don't forget to check the description box below in the YouTube show notes. Here you will find the exact programs I have used in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. That's all for today. Thank you guys.